Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my vegetable sausage fried rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's KylieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my Kerrygold butter. I also have my 2 days old rice. Of course, I have my vegetables. I also have my onion, my bell peppers, and my garlic. I also have my sausage and my scrambled eggs, and I also have some all-purpose seasoning and parsley flakes, and of course I have my soy sauce. So what I did is I went ahead and allowed my butter to melt. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion, the bell peppers and the garlic, because I want to extract all of that flavor from the seasoning, and I'm gonna go ahead and saute this. Then I'm going to add the vegetables. Just to note, the vegetables consist of carrot. It also has green beans and also some corn, and that is sweet corn. I am also going to go ahead and add the sausage, and of course I'm going to combine everything together. Then I'm going to leave it on the stove for roughly a minute. Then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you what I'm going to do next, all right? Alright guys, so after a minute, it's time to go ahead and add my 2 days old cooked white rice. Of course, we have to combine everything together because we want both the rice and the vegetables to be evenly distributed. And I know a lot of you might be asking, why did I add the all-purpose seasoning? I hardly cook with salt, so most times I just add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to give it a nice little flavor. But if you don't want to add it, that's really and truly optional. And again guys, try to be creative, try to be you in the kitchen. So if you want to make this fried rice but you do not have all of the ingredients, just try to substitute and try to use up what you have in your fridge, all right? Or you can just leave a comment and I will just give you my honest opinion. As you can see, I went ahead and add the soy sauce, and I'm just combining because I want all of that rice to be coated with the soy sauce. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add the scrambled eggs, and I'm just gonna try to break them apart. All right, so basically we are finished. So what I normally do, I normally just leave this on the stove for roughly 2 minutes, then I turn it off. So that's basically what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna leave it on the stove for 2 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product of my vegetable sausage fried rice. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my vegetable sausage fried rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home. Remember to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time for another awesome recipe. Bye!